Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Here we have a beautiful 6-inch Vidarbha zari border, an exclusive collection on a beautiful dark magenta saree here. Very elegant one with block prints in blue, and we also have zari lines. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in running, same color. It's a boiled acid washed premium Tassa fabric. Complete saree is in the same dark magenta color with beautiful prints on navy blue. The peacock as well as semicircles pattern, very beautifully done, long with flowers. Very beautiful saree, simple yet elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality with beautiful Vidarbha borders. A very elegant collection, completely acid washed, beautiful, very soft Tassa fabric. Here we have a multiple blue and a maroon printed color given in the pallu. The 6 inches exclusive Vidarbha border, zari Vidarbha it is, with the body color pallu, blouse piece. Pallu is contrast and blouse piece is in body color. It's a very different concept in the saree. Base color is mild green mix yellow, almost cream, and on it the sea blue color is given for the stripe pattern. All over the saree stripe pattern is given with royal blue prints on it. Leaf pattern is printed here, one at a row in the top and two at a row in the bottom. And we also have the maroon borders here, a very different concept, exclusive collection saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari Vidarbha borders. Here we have a exclusive 6 inches zari Vidarbha temple border one, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Pallu is also in the body color here, a mild rust peach color with zari lines and block prints, and same color plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in same color, a pastel shade it is, mild rust and peach mix color with the contrast colors used for the printing. Green used for the body prints, and blue, red and Kodi pattern is also done in the contrast colors. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari Vidarbha borders, an exclusive border collection. 6 inches zari Vidarbha it is, temple border, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu. You see the multiple vertical colors in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a royal blue color, very contrast blouse piece. Blouse piece also have the Vidarbha borders. The saree is in beautiful orange, between plain orange in the center, and the top and the bottom we have the very beautiful tribal pattern print. Half white base color, black is used for printing, and we also have the greens for the border here. Excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari Vidarbha borders, an exclusive 6 inch Vidarbha border here, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. And here we have a multicolored pallu, black, royal blue as well as a tomato red is given the pallu with zari lines, and black blouse piece, a very contrast blouse piece with the Vidarbha borders. The complete saree is in a beautiful cream base color, and the stripes pattern all over. The stripes are done using the same pallu concept, black, blue and red, and we also have the black floral pattern printed all over. The zari border, the Vidarbha border is also on black base here. An excellent new concept, exclusive design sarees with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, Vidarbha borders, an exclusive collection. Very elegant 6 inch Vidarbha zari border with temple design, gold zari used for it, and we have a green pallu here with block printed design in royal blue and white, and same green blouse piece. It's almost in a dark olive green color. The saree is in beautiful copper sulphate blue, mild green mix blue it is. On it the triangular shape block prints is used here, royal blue and white used for the geometric pattern printing. Both bottom as well as in top we have prints. Bottom triangle is a little bigger one with the Vidarbha borders printed on the dark green color, the olive green. Very elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, Vidarbha border, beautiful collection, exclusive zari Vidarbha borders, 6 inches border all over the saree. You see, gold zari Vidarbha is temple border with a rusty orange color pallu. We have the village tribal pattern printed in royal blue on that white base, and we have zari lines as well. Same color plain blouse piece with one side blue borders. Vidarbha borders runs in the blouse piece as well, and the saree is in beautiful copper sulphate blue, mild green mixed blue it is, the middle portion, and we have the top and bottom in a half white base with very elegant deer pattern printed in orange and pink, as well as we have the royal blue tribal pattern as also. It's very pretty, and the borders are in the rust base color. Very elegant, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree with beautiful Vidarbha borders, a premium quality block printed design. Very elegant, 6 inches exclusive Vidarbha borders, zari Vidarbha, gold zari used with temple design border, and we have a multicolored pallu here. The blue, orange as well as red is vertically given in the pallu with the body color blouse piece. The body and the blouse piece are completely in a stripes pattern on base mild yellow. The mild, very mild red shade stripes all over the body is given, and here we have the leaf printed design in the borders also. That is also done using dark red color with the tass, as well as the work is done in red, and we have the blue borders, very colorful, very different concept saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, a 6-inch beautiful exclusive Vidarbha zari border collection done on a beautifully boiled acid washed, very beautiful soft fabric of Tassa, and here we have a beautiful pink pallu with the Pochampalli design prints, and we also have zari lines and same color blouse piece with a turquoise green color one side pallu, the blouse piece. The color of the saree is a beautiful turquoise green, very rare color in Tassa, with the lotus design printed all over, block printed one in yellow and pink color, and the big border is given the lower half with the lotus, that is also a Pochampalli kind lotus design here with the pink borders for the Vidarbha border as well. Very elegant and very attractive color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, acid washed premium Tassa silk with 6 inches exclusive Vidarbha zari borders, temple type border, beautifully done with a beautiful pink borders in this saree with Pochampalli bird design printed, and we along the zari lines is also as usual present the saree with same pink blouse piece. One side we have dark navy blue color borders. The saree is in beautiful navy blue, completely in a checked pattern, and it is a big checks with the elephant in the body and the Pochampalli bird design in the bottom. The Pochampalli very famous design is printed on Tassa here with a very elegant Vidarbha borders and pink base color. Excellent saree, very new design with authentic silk.